So in this warm-up question, it's just a refresh of using the equation that we used yesterday, where Q equals MC delta T. So if you need a little quick review of what each variable stands for, I'll write it down here. Q represents heat. The units for that are joules. M is mass. The unit for that should be your grams. C is specific heat. And the units are joules per gram degrees Celsius. And then your delta T is change in temp. So it's your final minus the initial. So your unit for your delta T should be degrees Celsius. So remember, if it's helpful, go through when you read a problem and label what each one is. So like 300 grams, that would be M, your mass, of ethanol at 10 degrees is heated. So you know that this is your initial temperature. Was heated with 14,640 joules of energy. So joules of energy, so that means that's our Q, our heat. Q. What is the final temperature? So we don't know that of ethanol. The specific heat for ethanol is, then that number is given, 2.44. So that is your C, your specific heat. All right, so now that you have everything kind of labeled, it should be easy then to just plug in and use this equation. So Q is that 14,640. Next is our M. We labeled that right up there, 300. C, we labeled that, 2.44. Then delta T is final minus initial. So final, we don't know, that's our X. And then initial is, it said 10 degrees. And then you would just solve for X, right? You would multiply these sides, those two together, sorry, and then divide by what that comes to be. And then opposite operation, so this is subtracting 10, you should be adding 10. I think it was 30, but I'm going to double check. It is 30 degrees Celsius would be your answer there.